Hey, welcome back to Rugs in Harmony. Today we have got some more rugs to tuft with the gun. So we have two today. One is a Rihanna rug, which has been requested on our IG. If there's any rugs that you want to see us make, just DM us on our Instagram at Rugs in Harmony. This is the two rugs that we're working with today. So we've got our Rihanna rug right here, and then this is the Tupac and Biggie rug. It's all line art, so that's going to be quite interesting to do. Not kind of set on colours at the moment, so that's going to be something fun to work with. Might play around with some colours on Photoshop and see kind of what we like. And then we've also got to finish the rug that Shears started in our last video. So yeah, keep watching. So this is a new tool that we bought. It's called a sheep shear. So it's actually used for sheeps. It's hardcore, pretty heavy, really powerful, but it makes the rugs really neat. And one thing you want to make sure is that you wear a mask and you wear some glasses or goggles, something to protect your eyes, because the fibres from the wool literally go everywhere, so that's one thing to remember. But the effect that it gives to the rugs is so good, and it's so kind of even and neat, so it's definitely one to get if you'll start doing rugs. there's a lot of detail, and this might end up being a 2-part series depending on how long it takes to do each. But yeah, I think it's going to be quite fun. Yeah, and if there's any tips that you guys want to know, anything that you would like help with, any kind of insight into how we use the gun, how we use the punch needle, materials that we use, supplies that we use, whatever it is you want to know, pop it in the comments and we can touch on that on the next video. And likewise, if you would like us to make a particular character or a particular rug genre, pop it in the comments or DM us at Rugs in Harmony on Instagram. Make sure you subscribe, hit the bell, do all that YouTube stuff to support, and keep watching, and yeah, let's see how this goes.